किस बारे में कहें आप बताएं? Why don't you talk to the speaker, ma'am? Sir, let her talk to you and not to me.
आप बैठिए, यादव जी आप बैठिए. You please address the chair.
Yes, I am.
नहीं, इसीलिए मैं बोल दिया ना, आप बैठिए ना. Why you are disturbing her now? You please sit down. पप्पू जी, please sit down. Let her speak. ठीक है, आपके स्पीकर है ना, वो बता देंगे.
Sir, this woman power line, sir, as we have 1.3% of the crimes against children. Rape cases represent 20.5% of crimes against children. 8.9% of all the rape victims were girls under the age of 14. In 97.3 cases of all the rape cases, offenders were known to the victim, were family members, were relatives, were neighbors. The states of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra were accounted for 35.2% of the child rape cases. The number of cases for procuration of minor girls increased by 186.5% from 2009. Sir, the framers of the Indian Constitution took note of the adverse and discriminatory positions of women in the country and of the children in the society and took special care to ensure that the state must take positive steps to give them equal status, sir. So many articles like Article number 14 and Article 15, 42, 47, 15, they were drafted to improve the women's and child situations in the country. Significant progress towards the protection of women from the violence has been made by the country and international levels as well, by lobbying by many women's rights movements, international organizations to civil society groups. As a result, worldwide governments and international as well as civil society organizations actively worked to combat the violence against women through a variety of programs. However, all these legislations and measures have fallen short of achieving the intended outcomes of reducing the atrocities against the women and children. This is evident from everyday incidents that take place around us from all the parts of the country. This clearly calls out for the need to change, need to improve, need to be more effective, and need to be more sincere. किस बारे में कहें आप बताएं? Why don't you talk to the speaker, ma'am? Sir, let her talk to you and not to me.
Please address the chair.
So, political and communal बनाने का ही agenda है. I would like to put across some suggestive measures, ma'am. I would like to put some suggestive measures to you, ma'am, to control the crime.
No cross-talking, please. You please address.
I would like to put.
You please continue.
I would like to put some suggestive measures needed to curb crime against women. Ma'am, by vigorously enforcing the existing legislations relating to crime against women and children, like the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, Child Marriage Restraint Act, and many such acts, ma'am, it is very important for police personnel to be responsible for the implementation. The administration and police should play a very proactive role in detection and investigation of crime against women and ensuring that there is no underreporting of the cases. Special centers should be created to tackle such problems, ma'am. Ma'am, in Uttar Pradesh, ma'am, we have launched a special, Women's Power Helpline, number 1090. It's not working. Excuse me, it is working.
No cross-talking, please.
No,
you please address the chair. It is not going in record. You please address the chair. No cross-talking, please. No, it's a sensitive issue.
Sir,
let us understand the seriousness of it.
Yes. Yeah. Sir, this.
ठीक है अनुराग जी, आप बैठिए. You have your. Have their say. आप बैठिए, यादव जी आप बैठिए. You please address the chair.
Yes, I am.
नहीं, इसीलिए मैं बोल दिया ना, आप बैठिए ना. Why you are disturbing her now? You please sit down. पप्पू जी, please sit down. Let her speak.
और कहाँ पे कंप्लेंट होगी? पुलिस अधिकारी ने कंप्लेंट की।
ठीक है, आपके स्पीकर है ना, वो बता देंगे.
Sir, this woman power line, sir, as we have named it.
बैठिए, आप बैठिए कृपया. You please sit down. You please continue. Dimple ji, please continue.
Sir,
You address to chair. No cross talking, please.
Sir, it has worked in UP, sir. And sir, the number of complaints that were registered were 2,46,110. Out of this, sir, 2,15,240 cases were solved. Sir, by increasing the overall representation of women in the police forces, we can make a huge difference, as our Honourable Minister has already suggested. Sensitizing the law enforcement machinery towards crime against women by well-structured training programs, meeting and seminars for police personnel at all the levels, as well as for the functionaries of the criminal judicial system. Develop a community monitoring system to check the cases of violence, abuse and exploitation, and take necessary steps to curb the same. Sir, involving the community at large in creating such awareness programs is going to make a huge difference. Sir, organizing legal literacy and legal awareness camps, sir, this is a very important point. By providing them the knowledge regarding the laws which are available to strengthen us, sir, it is going to change the scenario. So there should be no delay whatsoever in the registration of an FIR in all the cases. Sir, this is my first speech for 5 minutes.
I understand, but whoever are speaking, even after you, they are all women speakers, and there is a huge.
Sir, ये maiden speech है, sir, please.
Sir, 5 minutes.
आप बैठे हैं ना, मैं नहीं ना, उनको वकील मत चाहिए, मैं हूँ इधर, मैं हैंडल करता हूँ.
No delay. Sir, there should be no delay whatsoever in the registration of FIR in all the cases against women. Strict disciplinary actions to be taken against police personnel found wanting in these areas. So, ensure proper supervision to appropriate levels of cases of crime against women for the recording of FIR to the disposal of the case by the competent court. Cases should be thoroughly investigated and charge sheets against the accused persons should be filed within 3 months from the date of occurrence without compromising on the quality of investigation. The health departments of the state government should step up rape crisis centers and specialized sexual assault treatments at appropriate places. The specialized sexual
Now
assault...
you please conclude, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, 2 minutes, sir, I will conclude. Sir, sir, steps should be also taken for the protection against the crime against children. First, to decrease the vulnerability of children to sexual exploitation. Second, to develop a nationwide capacity to provide a rapid, effective and measured investigative response to the crimes against children. And third, to enhance the capabilities of the state and local law enforcement investigators through programs, investigative assistance and task force operations. So we have to change this all together. And I would like to
Okay,
quote...
thank you.
Sir, last line, sir.
No, हो गया.
सर नेताजी वैसे ही खुश हैं, बोलने पे ही खुश हैं. नहीं.
No cross talking, please. Now you have to conclude in half second.
Yes, I'm concluding, sir. Sir, Robert Forrest said this famous line. He was a poet. Woods are lovely, dark and green. I would like to say it again. Woods are lovely, dark and green. It's deep and green. Okay, thank you. But we have a promise to keep. We all here have a promise to keep. And miles to go before we sleep. And miles to go before we sleep. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.